In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and modify numbered lists in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. This is a simple but powerful feature that can make your documents look more organized, more professional, and much easier to read. Whether you're building a report, writing instructions, taking notes, or formatting a business document, numbered lists help you keep everything clean and structured. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. You can start with a blank document or open an existing file if you already have text you want to format. Once your document is open, find the text you want to turn into a numbered list. You can either type out your items first or highlight text that already exists in your document. If you're selecting existing text, make sure you highlight every line that should be included in the list. This step is important because Word will apply numbering to everything you select. After that, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. The Home tab is where you'll find most of Word's basic formatting tools, including font options, alignment, bullets, and numbering. In the paragraph section, click the numbering button. As soon as you click it, Microsoft Word will automatically turn your selected text into a numbered list using the default style. This is the fastest way to create a basic list, and it works great for most simple documents. If you only wanted a standard numbered list, you're already done. But if you want to change the look of the numbering, Word gives you several customization options. To modify the listed style, click the small drop-down arrow next to the numbering button. This opens a menu with different numbering formats you can choose from. For example, you can switch from 1, 2, 3 to A, B, C, or even Roman numerals depending on the style you need. This is useful if you want your document to match a specific format, school requirement, or professional layout. After choosing the format you want, Word will instantly update the list. If you want even more control, you can customize the numbering itself. To do that, right-click directly on one of the numbers in your list. From the menu that appears, choose Adjust List Indents or define New Number Format. Adjust List Indents lets you control how far the text sits from the number, which is helpful when you want cleaner spacing or a more compact layout. Define New Number Format gives you more advanced options, like changing the number style, adjusting alignment, or adding punctuation after each number. Once you make your changes, click OK to apply them. Your list will update immediately with the new formatting. This makes it easy to create lists that look exactly the way you want instead of sticking with the default style. And if you ever want to apply the same formatting to other sections, you can repeat the same steps in any part of your document. You can also combine this with other Word formatting tools like bold text, headings, and spacing to make your document even more readable. So to recap, open Microsoft Word, open your document, select the text you want to list, go to the Home tab, click Numbering, and then use the drop-down or right-click options to modify the list style and customize the formatting. It's a quick process once you know where everything is, and it can make a big difference in how polished your document looks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.